What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas day number 2. So today, you might be asking yourself, hey, what are we vlogging today? Well, we have my son's bike. My son's learned how to lock up the rear wheel on his bike, which causes him to slide and leave these long black stripes everywhere. So because of that, he leaves his rubber everywhere, which means he has no rubber on his back tire, which means at some point it's gonna pop and then he won't have a rear tire. So because of that, and because of him getting all A's, which of course, me and Ashley, with a kid of his intelligence, we expect all A's. So because of all A's, shout out to Gigi and Pops, they bought him a new rear tire. So that came in. So we're going to tackle the install on this tire on his bicycle. Definitely gonna be interesting, guys. You definitely don't want to miss this one. I'm sure it's gonna be a good laugh. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of the SpongeBob 2 hours later. All right, guys, we finally got the tire on, or 2 days later. My son said, hey, Dad, if we don't finish it today, we can always finish it tomorrow. Oh, man, this is going to be a joy. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for vlog number 2 for Vlogmas. We're starting out strong. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the new tire that Gigi and Pops ordered. Shout out to Gigi and Pops again for purchasing this. Also for my son getting all A's on his report card. That's what we do. So we got this and we got that. All right, guys, so step 1. I don't know if this is the right step, but this is the step we're gonna do. We're gonna put the bike like that so that we can work on it. So we got step 1 done. As you can see, the tire is bald from doing
skirt outs.
Skirt outs?
I would call them skirts though.
Skirts?
Or burnouts.
Burnouts, but a burnout, yeah. Got that off. So now we need to get the old rubber off for the new rubber. So we let the air out. Now you gotta get this thing unseated. Got the inner tube out. So look at that.
Bad.
Yeah. Go get your new tire.
But squish is good.
So this is the old one.
Yeah, the squish is good.
All right, guys, so now, well, my son's recording, so this is quite interesting. So basically now,
I'm a noob in this.
we're needing to put all that back on here. So, we'll see how this goes. Since my son's recording, I don't know all the footage we're gonna have for this. So hopefully we have at least the key pieces to document that I did this. So now we need to mount it up and put some air in there. All right, guys, so got the tire on there. Obviously, you saw it worked. It was a success. And that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vlog. Yes, sir. Let's go.